So I got these two pit bike frames, and the plan is to cut this one off about right here and weld the piece onto here to extend it. I got this sleeve that fits real nice inside there. Got a few little brackets to cut off these, clean them up a little bit. Okay, so got the two halves prepped here. Cut a little slot here in the bottom just to get another weld on there to connect to this sleeve. Do the same over here. So this is gonna fit pretty good. Slide that in there like that. Slide that in there, and then I'll push it all the way together. I got it lined up just about as best I can. I think it's pretty straight. It actually looks like the steer tube here is actually welded onto the frame a little offset, but it's no big deal. Oh, got her welded up. That's alright. I had to fill in that one little spot right there because there was a little bit of pit where I stopped. So I ground it all down smooth now. There's a couple little pits, but I think I'm satisfied with it. Okay, so I decided I want to get a little bit more height out of the rear end of it here. So to do that, I've cut this piece off, and I'm going to use this piece from the other frame and weld it up right here. By doing it this way, my shock mount is still going to be in the same location relative to the swing arm, and I'll have to reattach the seat mounting up higher, like up here somewhere, and then I'll have to make a new bracket up here too. But I think this is going to work out better. This gives me about 4 inches extra height back here. And I'm going to sleeve this the same way that I sleeved the other part. Well, I think I'm done for today. Here's what I ended up with. Still got to attach the seat bracket on. So I can do that later on once I have the wheels on it.